them they're wrong, and you got to point it out. And if they're saying, which they do, that the Sabbath is abolished, that the Sabbath has changed, that the Sabbath is now on Sunday, or that Sunday is the new day of worship, and the Sabbath of the old covenant has been abolished, as you see them, right? See them saying, that's contrary to Scripture, and so therefore they're the ones teaching.
Read that for yourself. I don't think I have to put any other Bible verses because that clearly says that the dead know nothing. Okay, they don't know anything. They're not alive. They're not watching over you. They're not walking right now. They don't meet up with you. No, they don't know anything. Okay, they don't know how to get up. They don't know how to wake up. They don't know how to eat. They don't know how to breathe. They don't know how to smell. They don't know how to do anything. Okay, so that Bible verse is
from the Bible. And you know, as a previous atheist, when I learned that these health principles, and then there's actually doctors that were atheists, also history shows of testimonies that when they took the time to read the Bible and follow these health principles, less people die.
Things that are sure, even the devil said, hath God surely said, He didn't even say, is it likely that God said? He said, hath God surely said. Even the devil knows that you need to be sure about something. If the devil knows, how much more should we know? You gotta be sure,
Listen, I will be bold in saying this. A Christian who does not read his Bible and follow his instructions is not a real.
Contrasted the law as if it's a bad thing, when in Romans 7:22, 25, Paul says about God's law that I delight after the inward man. I serve the law with my mind, but the problem is this flesh has another law.
Like if you add or remove from the commandments, you're in error, and then you go to proceed to announce Sunday. This is inconsistent narrative. Inconsistent.
Yep. Fire that will not be quenched is going to devour palaces. Was there a fire that devoured the palaces of Jerusalem? Yes, at the Babylonian captivity. Has it been burning since 500 AD? Forgive me. Has it been burning from the 5th and 6th century BC to this day? No.
Did God really say that you shouldn't eat from this tree? Mm-hmm. It's the same thing. What the critics are saying. Did God really say you gotta keep the Sabbath? Mm-hmm. Yes, he said it. That's exactly what he said. When in doubt, do what God has commanded to you.
It's simple. It's simple.
Scripture says, my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. Because you have forgotten the law of your God, I will forget your children.
Gotta be realistic. We're making up definitions of words. We're saying we're gonna define however we define. The word Abba is even the name, the seal of God, the name of God, Abba, is even inside the Sabbath word. The territory, the ED. What more do you guys want to?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.